Eh, ako balo no kwento kainin eh. Kasi minsan no, may garal ko Ateneo Rockwell. Oh, di ba sosyal? Ateneo Rockwell, yayan may Ateneo. Balo mo kasi in Johnson& and Johnson kanto ating yang libreng crash course kay hospital administration. So, syempre grab kita libre eh. Ne? Eh at that time akong president CEO na ning Calcutta and at the same time administrator too. O, anya po tanganda na ako, by the way, Mrs. Kaluwag, are you a doctor? No, ma'am. Oh, maybe you're a nurse. No, ma'am. Oh, maybe your parents are doctor. Sabi na, no, ma'am, I'm not a doctor. I'm not a nurse. I'm not in line in medical. I just own the hospital. Oh, tamo makanta. May shock la no. Na mo. Renggang halos biki-banding hospital. Inline lang kang medical, how ka, mana? How ka, mana? May patalakad kang hospital na inaw ka mo naman palalingita. O there's a tragedy happen in our family. But if I will tell you the story, one day is not enough, ma'am, ako. But to cut the long story short, ako, there's a tragedy happen in our family, ako. Meron pong binarel sa pamilya namin. At yun po palang assassinator, bago niya gawin yun, aalamin muna niya ang mga nearest hospital kung saan niya titirahin. Tinakbo namin sa St. Luke's yung isang pamilya namin. At nalaman namin kinabukasan na ganun pala ang nangyari. Kung hindi buhay ang pag-iisip namin, maaring patay na siya ngayon. So, nung na-learn ko yon, that at that time, pinramis ko sa sarili ko that one day, I will build my own hospital and make my own policy. And wish granted.